I'm a white guy, so naturally my favorite condiment is mayo, and it actually is. I'm just not a big fan of the ingredients of it. Even when you buy this avocado oil mayo, the first ingredient's still canola oil, and I don't think canola oil's good, or soy oil. But what I miss the most about making my own mayo is that tasty calcium disodium EDTA. Can't get enough of that. So I sub out the canola oil with extra virgin olive oil. It's allegedly one of the healthier oils, so I figure with the amount of mayo I'm eating, why not use something better? And you're gonna need some salt. I have this pink Himalayan salt, but it's really not good quality. It's kind of gritty. It's just what I have. You need some lemon juice. If you have fresh lemons, even better. And then you just need 1 egg. So the real trick here is using the stick blender. This is gonna make it incredibly easy and convenient to make. And then you need a jar that fits your stick blender. A wide mouth mason jar works perfect for this. You make it in the jar and then store it in the jar. So get that egg cracked, put it in, doesn't matter what temperature it is. This is right out of the fridge. I've tried it warm, it's the same thing. And then add a teaspoon of salt in. Yeah, I'm gonna go with some different salt next time. Any suggestions? This pink stuff's not cutting it for me. A splash of lemon juice. Like I said, if you have fresh lemons, better, but you know, we're on a budget here. It's 2024, I could barely afford anything. And most importantly, the cup of oil. So like I said, extra virgin olive oil is what I'm using, but any liquid oil works. And even if you did use canola oil, it would probably still be better than store-bought mayo because you're cutting out all that other stuff too. So fill up a cup, dump it in. No need to be gentle, just make sure it all gets in the jar. And you're like 90% done now. The next thing is to get your stick blender and put it into the jar right to the bottom, turn it on, and then slowly drag it up. And just like that, it turns into mayonnaise. It's incredible. This is a foolproof method. I've tried with the stand mixer and hand whisking and all that crap. This one I've been doing like every week whenever I need mayo. And completely sustainable, doesn't take barely any time. You don't need to plunge it back and forth like that. It makes it a little messier in the end. But yeah, the worst part is taking it out because it's dragging mayo out with it and knocking it back in. This is how I eat mayo now. I don't buy it anymore. I make it, and I think it's better. I think it's better for you. It's really not that hard. I just wanted to share it. There you go. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I can't think of anything else to say. I'm just so pleased with this mayo.